Hi, I'm Finn, and welcome to today's Friday Deep Dive. Today I'm going to be talking to you about subscription plans, one of the features I think every clinic should be using. It's an easy way to build loyalty with your clients and make their care feel effortless. You set the plan, choose what's included, and Lupa takes care of the discount every time you bill it. Let's dive in. Subscription plans live right in your OS. You will find them underneath the app's title within your browser. When clicking into subscription plans, you will see you have 3 tabs up the top. The first tab is Dashboards. This is giving you an overview of all of your plans and a few really helpful insights. Things like active subscribers, cancelling subscribers, the net change, and all-time average utilization. The next tab is Plans. This is an overview of all of your plans within your store. By clicking into the plan, you will see you have your plan details with all the information about that plan, any specific eligibility criteria that you've defined, all of the allowances that you've selected for that plan, as well as a list of all the subscribers on this individual plan. This is a great way to have an overview of each of the pets or clients, depending on your plan type, in one spot. The next tab is Subscribers. Within Subscribers, you're getting an overview of every single pet and client that is on any plan within your store. To create a new plan in Lupa, navigate to the Plans tab and select New Plan. This will show you a bunch of fields that you can fill out to define what this plan is actually servicing. You can enter a plan name, a plan type being pet or client. You can have any species-specific criteria, e.g. this is a dog plan or a cat plan. You can define it from this drop-down. You then can set a price. So you can define this is going to be £10 per month or potentially £100 per year. The next cool thing is the eligibility criteria. For example, if your plans are set by age range, you might have a puppy plan and then an adult plan. You can select this plan is only for puppies up to 12 months old. That way, when they go over that age bracket, you'll have a warning on their plan that says they're no longer eligible and you need to action a plan change. The same logic applies to weight-based plans. If you have an up to 10 kilo plan and then a 10 to 20 and then a 20 above, you'll be able to set those individual weight ranges per plan. Same thing, when they go over that weight range, you'll get an ineligible badge on your plan, therefore you can action it to move them on to the next one. Allowances in Lupa is your way to define what products and services have what discount per plan. So let's go through and add an allowance. When you select add an allowance, you have a few different fields that pop up. Here you can choose a type, whether that be a product or service category, individual product or service, or a product or service tag. This is going to define what items are going to be allowed within this allowance. The next is a category. For this example, I will go through with consultation. And then you have the allowance section. Is this limited or is it unlimited? This will define whether they have a limited amount per period or if it's an unlimited amount within the plan. Once you've built your plans in Lupa, you're ready to add pets or clients onto those plans. To add a pet onto a plan, you navigate to the pet page and you can go down to the subscription section. Here you can add a plan subscription. In this instance, I'm going to go ahead with a small dog health plan. Here you get a summary of how much is charging per month, the allowances included, and you can decide when this plan starts from. Here you will see the plan is now active on the pet's profile, as well as a little indication badge giving you some information on what plan they're on and whether that plan is paused, cancelled, or active. When you bill an item that is a part of a plan, we have an automatic allocation process. Here you can see down the bottom we have verification that its allowance has been applied to this individual pet's invoice. To view a pet's utilization history, so how much of their plan they've already used within that period, you can go to their subscriptions tab on their page, click the 3 dots and look at utilization history. Here you will see the service category that we've just billed. There's 1 included, 1 redeemed, and 0 available for this period. If you want to query where it was used and why, you'll see there's a little icon here that will navigate you directly to the invoice. Thanks for joining me today to talk about subscription plans in Lupa. I hope it was helpful and I can't wait to see you guys using it.